having an issue with your 80 series shocks on your hood?
I give up, that's it.
So I should have got this thing a long time ago, but I'm glad I did. So I'm gonna show you how to install it on your 80 series.
Bruh.
See, mine are having trouble staying up. Oh, uh-oh. So I replaced these in like 2019. So it's like 2023. But I guess because of all the off-roading and I don't know what else. But they don't seem to be holding up, so I fixed that. I got this thing from Delta Vehicle Systems. Not sponsored, by the way, so if you want to sponsor me, shout out to Delta. But let's take a look how we gonna remedy this issue. So you don't have to get a Delta, you can get it at, you know, Cruiser Parts or even Toyota, but it comes in 3 pieces, a plastic clip, a rubber grommet, and the actual rod. So I just took it out the box. Packaging was really good. So here's the part number in case you guys want to get it. But I'm gonna put the link in the description if you guys want to buy this hood too, this rod hood for your 80 series. Because these are the stickers I got. Amateur driver on an open course. And I'm guessing this is the new Delta sticker, I don't know. It says D on it. Place the little plastic tab right here. So I just pushed this tab in and it should be good. You just push it one time and make sure this is facing that way. Make sure you're lining it up that way. So the rod comes down, it'll rest right here. That's how it's gonna fit. So you put it in this hole. So you're gonna push it in like that and you want it in nice and secure. See, that's not coming out once it's in there. So once you put it in the hole, it's gonna line up like that. And this is where it's gonna rest on the bracket. And yeah, it should be good to go. Let's test it out.
Let's go.
That's how you hook up the rod for the 80 series Toyota Land Cruiser. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, share, and subscribe.